Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the rocket event in Plants vs. Brainrots. So these will be the rewards you are able to get once you completed it. Basically, there will be rockets spawn all over the map, whether it's in your your garden or other people's. As you can see, there's a rocket here. There's also a rocket in my garden. Grab your bat and you're just going to basically hit the firework multiple times until it's like the HP is 0, I guess. And then basically it's going to fill the bar in the middle there. Here, I'll hit another firework. It spawns every few minutes, and again, it's going to be everywhere. So make sure to keep your make sure you keep a lookout. Sorry, I'm very tired today. I'm just going to do this one. You'll get rewards as well along the way, so don't worry, as you can see here. So if I go back here, I've hit 7 fireworks. As you can see, it says find and hit with a bat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to know this one, it's just later for New Year's, so don't worry about that too much. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.